Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. If you are using Tradejini CubePlus API to place your order, then this video is for you, and it's urgent. From 25th March 2026, all API based order must come from a registered static IP address. If your IP is not registered with us, then your order will automatically get rejected. Yes, you heard right. But the good thing is the entire registration process takes less than 5 minutes. So stay with us and I will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you have to go to Tradejini Developer Portal. I put the direct link in the description. There you get one login button on the right corner of that page. Just click it. You get two options. Either you can log in with Tradejini SSO login or you can put your email and password and login. I'll go through Tradejini SSO login. If you click it, it will redirect you to the dashboard. There you can see all your apps that registered with Tradejini CubePlus. So just select any app that you want to put your static IP with that. There you get three-dot menu button. Just click it. You get two options. One is for edit and one is for delete. Just click that edit button and then it will redirect you to the edit page. There you get one option to put your static IP there. Just simply paste your static IP and click save button. When you click it, it will automatically register your static IP with us. That's it. Now your IP is registered and you can trade smoothly. If you found this video helpful, just like, share and subscribe. Thank you.